Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den, and I'm very excited to be participating in my first $5 Goodwill Challenge, which is hosted about 4 times a year by Hilary from Old World Home. And the idea behind this challenge is that you take $5 and go to your local thrift store, your Goodwill, whatever is near you, and see what you can find for $5 or less that you would like to take home to your home and use in your home. You can DIY it if necessary, or you can use it as is. And she hosts this each season, so this is the summer season. So it was to go to my local thrift store and see what I could find for $5. So I'm going to show you a picture of what I found for actually $2.99, which was a great deal. And it's something I've always wanted in my home. It's a wooden, it's just a recipe book holder. But it didn't quite fit my decor, so I did a little DIY on it, and I'm going to show you what I did and how it ended up. Hope you enjoy, and thank you so much, Hilary, for hosting this. What a great idea, and I had a lot of fun. So I'll show you what I got and what I did. Well, thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you, Hilary, once again from Old World Home, for sponsoring this $5 Goodwill Challenge. And it was a lot of fun, and it was quite the honor to participate. And I hope you enjoyed my little project, my little Ray Dunn inspired cookbook holder. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and this was a lot of fun to do and very easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll think about watching my channel, The Diva Den, and subscribing and maybe giving this video a like, and check out everybody else's videos. I am dying to see what everybody else did. I know there's going to be some really good stuff going on, and I can't wait to see what everybody else was inspired to do. So once again, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.